um go to the render mode, cycles. I have already changed it to cycles. Then the GPU compute. Okay, fine. Go to the material view, select the base color. We want to select it light bluish color. Fine. Okay. You want to be a bit more blue. Okay. Then we're gonna add a new material which want to be a emission, so I'm gonna make it black. Then I go to the emission. Please select more saturated color. Otherwise it will be um look like a white color. So because when we apply emission it will be look like a white color, so we want to select more saturated color. Which color you want to select? You want to select the more saturated version of it. Okay. Go to the face mode. I have selected the faces. If you don't have the faces selected, go to this, then click select. It will select the faces that we have added them to the vertex group. Then assign that. Okay, fine. Then we're gonna get our torch. Our torch wanted to be a look red. I'm gonna make it red. You wanna make it which color do you want? Okay, slightly red. Okay. To make this plastic look, I wanna reduce roughness. Okay, fine. Then I'm gonna add new material for the for this object. Sorry, we don't want material. This object wanna be a separate material, so I can click this 7, so it can make this as a separate material. I can go to the go to its material properties, and then I make it as black. Okay, don't go too far. Mm, okay, I want to get this RGB, make it first white, then gonna make it black. Fine. I don't want this scene light. Okay, instead I'm gonna use some HDRI. Okay, go to the world tab. Okay, then you're gonna go to this color, click this. Okay, go to the environment texture, go to open. I'm gonna use here the abundant slipway. We can experiment with various HDRIs, which you can apply which one do you like. Okay, I'm gonna just import my HDRIs and see which one suits best for me. Don't use 16K HDRI because it can take much time to calculate. um Instead you can use some 4K HDRIs. It will be nice. Okay, here I show you how to download the abandoned slipway HDRI. Search for ABANDONED abandoned slipway HDRI. Okay, then you want to go to the first website you have. Okay, then you want to go to select the resolution to 4K, then gonna hit download. It will choose where you want to save the file and hit save. After save this, you wanna open the HDRI via the method I have shown in this video. So okay, let's get into the video. Material not 404, material not 404. Okay, fine. Our switch wanted to be a bit more shiny, so I'm gonna reduce this. Okay, fine. um our switch was ready. Then the final thing is our class. We're gonna add new material. Instead of using the principal BSDF, we're gonna use our class BSDF, so it makes it class. but this time it doesn't look like that. I'm gonna make it look like that by um reducing the roughness. Okay, fine. Hmm, it doesn't look right. Reduce the roughness completely. Fine. Okay. So cycles. Okay, fine. Makes the glass working. Okay, really cool. Then I want to make sure I want to texture this as a silver color to reflect the light. So I want to select these faces. Okay, then I want to select the center face, then press Ctrl plus 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 plus. Okay, okay, fine. This looks really cool. I'm gonna add it to the normal. I'm gonna add it to the vertex groups. Okay, normal vertex groups, not normal. It's I'm gonna say that it was a simple vertex groups. Okay, then assign that. Okay, then I go to the object mode. Okay, fine. Then I'm gonna add some new materials. New material slot. New material. This one will be a silver color, so I'm gonna get the point. We're gonna make this as metallic. Okay, reduce the roughness. Then I'm gonna make sure I want to select this. So go to the edit mode, go to the material view, then press assign. Okay, fine. That's it. You can assign that, but it doesn't look that much reflective, so we want to make sure crank it a bit up here. Fine, it's like a silver. Okay, it's like a pure silver. Nice, we finally got that. Okay, so press backslash again. Our mirror was here. Nice. Okay, so then we want to add the lights. Okay, then we're gonna render that. Okay, so I'm gonna make this as metallic. Okay, fine. So sorry, this will not this material. I want to make this material as metallic so it can be dark and cool. And this backdrop wanted to be metal. Okay, so black metal. So gonna dark it up here. Okay, fine. So we're gonna get the point. Okay. Hmm. Then we want to add the light. Okay, so press backslash here. Okay, backslash. So okay, we want to add two lights. The first one is the spotlight, the second one is the area light or point light. Yeah, we're gonna use point light. Okay, we want to snap the light. For this I want to hide this mirror. Okay, go to face mode, select this face, shift S, cursor to selected. Then I want to select the point light, then I'm gonna grab this, right click, shift S, selection to cursor. Okay, the point light was here, grab on Y, grab on Y. Okay, fine. You can make the point light size however you want it, how you can make the power. I'm gonna make this 100. So nice. Then we're gonna add the spotlight, so shift A, then we're gonna add the spotlight. So where is the spotlight light? Go to spotlight. Okay, we're gonna find that, rotate it along the Y, or sorry, rotate it along the X on 90 degree, rotate it along the X on 90 degree. You want to rotate it on the negative 90 degree. Okay, fine. Then scale it a bit up here. Okay, Then we want to increase the radius. Sorry, we don't want to increase the radius. We're going to increase this size. Fine. Okay. So after that, I'm gonna make sure it want to be 100. If I hide the point light, how it will see the spotlight works. We want to see how the spotlight works. Chosen. Okay, the spotlight works. And then we're gonna unhide that. Okay, it will be more brightness. Okay, then press okay, then we're gonna press backslash. Sorry, we're gonna unhide our glass. Okay, we can unhide our glass. Where is our glass? We took a cube cylinder. It was parented to that, so don't worry about that. Okay, I'm gonna press Alt H. I'm gonna see the name of that object. It was in there. It was in there. There we go. Then I press Control Z, Z, Z. Okay. Then I'm gonna unhide that. Okay, fine. We have the cube here, and the light passes through that. We have the sorry, we have the spherical mirror. Okay, glass. Okay, fine. Then the next step is the animation. So I want to parent this torch to this turntable, then press Ctrl P to object. Okay, then I want to make this HDRI look more bit sharp, so 0.3. Fine. So the light was really awesome. Okay, we're gonna go to our camera view. Okay, fine. The light's working. If you want to see without the noise, you can do that by clicking the denoise button in the viewport. It will denoise it, and you're gonna see the final result. Okay, okay, fine. Denoiser, open image denoise. Okay, fine. You wanna check this open image denoise, which will be denoising using the composting, which will be do later. Okay, but in the viewport it always do that for us. But if you're gonna denoise in render, you want to make that, so don't worry about that. We're gonna do that. Okay, fine. Then we're gonna animate this. Okay, select the turntable, then grab, ensure that all are stick together to the turntable. Then we're gonna set the keyframe for that. Okay, for this sake I want to go to the object mode because it was too heavy to handle. So from 0, maybe the animation wanted to be 5 seconds, so I can get this by frames 20, 40, maybe 130 frames is fine. It will be 5 seconds. Okay, then I'm gonna set the keyframe on Z, right click, insert single keyframe. Sorry, on not on location, rotation, insert single keyframe. Then I'm gonna move to frame 120. Then I'm gonna go to make it as 360-degree. Okay, it's gonna full rotation, insert single keyframe. Fine, there we go. If you're gonna hit the space bar, you're gonna see your animation. Okay, so that's it. You can render this by, if you're gonna image, you're gonna render this by press. Oh, you wanna make the composting, because the composting was really interesting. Okay, so go to the composting tab, because there is a glow. If you gonna render it out without glow, it doesn't look like it was a light. If you're gonna render it with glow, it will look like light. There's a one more thing, we don't constrain this lights to the torch, so we want to constrain that. Okay, so from 0 I want to constrain that, I want to parent that. So click this, Control P, object, fine. Then the light bulb, light point, where this spotlight was constrained to that, but the point light was not. Then shift click this, Control P, object. Okay, all the lights are constrained to that. If you're gonna play that, the lights also moving with it. Okay, fine. So we want to add some glow to that, otherwise it doesn't look like a light. So in the render we're gonna add some glow by using the fog glow by glare. Okay, we're gonna search for a glare, then it will be make that. In the streaks you want to change the fog glow. Okay, fine. Then we want to denoise. So okay, we're gonna get the denoise. Okay, fine. That's it, guys. And the final render will be looking awesome. I will render the frame 26. If you want to render a specific frame, keep the time marker on the specific frame which you want to render, and then hit render image, render image. Okay, you want to specify the resolution. Okay, in here I'm gonna show you render image. Okay, I'm gonna render this out. Okay, it was rendering. There is a cube here, there's a curve here which we wanted to delete that. Yeah, we want to disable from render. Okay, but you're gonna see how the composting will change by rendering. Okay, but you want to reduce the sample amount from 4096 to maybe 1024. I'm gonna cancel this and I'm gonna change this to max samples from this to 1024, which is enough. Okay, so render image. 1 minute, there is something more in there. Retopo cube also here. I want to reduce this. Okay, render image. Okay, fine, it will be render. If you want to render the animation, the same thing happens. You want to go to this tab, go to this output tab, output properties. Then you want to specify the frame rate, fps, and then which frame do you want to start the animation and which frame do you want to end the animation. You're gonna specify that. I'm gonna start it on 0 and edit on 120. Then you want to specify the output folder, which folder you want to save your animation. Then you want to select the file format. AV zip, AV raw is quite heavy, so you can select ffmpeg video. Then you're gonna go to the encoding. From the container you're gonna see mp4, you're gonna select this mp4. Then the video codec is h.264. okay, it was nice. You're gonna make your quality however you want, high quality, perceptual, lossless, constant bitrate, however you want. For now this, it will be good as medium quality. Okay, that's it. If you want to add audio you can add, but it was a little bit advanced. From this, that's it. Okay, so we're gonna see our render result. This is, you're gonna see this glow. Okay, fine. So this is our render result, guys. Okay, if you want to render the animation you can by doing so. You're gonna go to this render animation, you're gonna check this render animation, so it will render your animation. Okay, fine. Hello guys, after you have animated and then render out your video, you will end up with like this, but I have showed you in the trailer like this. I will post a video on how to do a color grade in DaVinci Resolve to make a poorly looking video into a good video. Okay, thank you guys. I will see you in the next video.